How to sign up or open a Revolut account. If you want to sign up or open a Revolut account, it is fairly simple for us to do so. What we have to do for this is, first of all, make sure you've downloaded the Revolut application from your Play Store or your App Store. You have to do this from your mobile only, so once you open the Revolut app, just wait for the application to load up. If you're loading up for the first time, it may take a while. If you have an account, you can tap the login button, but if you don't have an account, tap on the sign up button from the bottom right of the screen. Now simply choose a phone number under which you'd like to create your Revolut account with. Once you've done that, tap on the continue button. Then it will send a confirmation code to this phone number, so I can tap on continue. Then after it's done sending the code, I simply have to wait until my phone automatically verifies it sometimes. It might also send on WhatsApp on that number, so you might want to check, otherwise it will send via SMS and it has automatically verified the code. Then once I've done that, on the next page, I can simply enable other options and I can enter my country of residence and so on, then I can sign up securely. That way I can sign up or open a Revolut account. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.